I'm just plugging in batteries and you're catching fish. Nice way to start the day. Oh, you wrapped them all up.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Good morning, everyone. I'm out in the boat. Yeah, let me put the microphone right on top of the motor. That'll probably sound good. Good morning, everyone. We're out on the boat. Finally time. Captain Paul's gonna put us on some big fish today. Stay tuned.
Sure would be better in the bush.
Yeah. Fish on.
All right. Nice one. Could be a rainbow. Could be a brookie. White belly, I know that.
Got a little weight to it for sure. Rookie.
Not quite pinworthy, but
It's a brown.
it is a brown.
A buttery little brown.
There you go.
All right. One buttery little brown. Ooh, come on.
You all set?
Oh, I will once I grab him here. All right, all set. Another one with a missing fin. That's my year for missing fins. They're all on the left side too.
Okay.
All these fish are right-handed.
Well, they clipped them.
Thank you, buddy. That's a nice golden one.
Watch your head.
Yeah, I see it. I'm still trying to get you your some air time here.
6.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. A little bigger. This is a little bigger. Might need in that. I don't know. Yeah, maybe not. That's a decent one.
There's a couple of them down there.
That's a decent one. That's a decent one. It's not a brown. That's why it's fighting like that. It's a brown.
The smaller of these two was took a peek at my cheese worm.
Okay.
You need a hand?
No, so you don't snap me off coming up.
Oh, nice fish.
Nice little brown.
Yeah.
Nice little brownie.
Hey, not bad.
Go tell Grandpa.
Yeah. Don't tell him we're coming though.
No, just tell him I'm here.
Yep.
Just watching for the rod.
Oh, fish on.
That's
This guy's got some fire.
I don't want to chase looking at this color, but he won't bite it. I put on like a lime green one.
Oh yeah, I thought about doing that. I got orange.
This is what I put on. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Wet hands. Wow, I barely lipped this guy.
Well, that's what's nice about it.
Oh, that is a gorgeous fish too.
Yeah, I'm sure.
You got a humpback.
A little bit. Oh, all right, he's gonna be a big one when he gets.
Yeah. Thank you, buddy. Another taker. Oh, here's the big one for the day. Maybe. Still very orange. It's almost as orange as my worm.
Okay, now that I'm in. Whoa. Did he come and grab that? That might be the secret for the day. That fish came out of nowhere.
Orange, huh?
Not really. It's got some orange to it.
Okay. Good sized fish.
Okay. You're gonna have to shut the camera off when I show you the bait.
Okay. Don't worry, we'll just edit that out.
No, you don't have to. I'm just saying, I put on the... That fish shot out of freaking nowhere. I got a monster on. Not a bad fish.
Oh yeah, not bad.
They're liking this. They're liking this.
Oh yeah.
They're liking this.
That might be a brown. I think it is. No? Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm after, is the big browns. They
Yeah.
like the fish. Okay, so I need a rainbow and a tiger. And I'll
Same. We're both there because I got a brown on the way up
have-
here.
Yes, you did.
That's the way I'm feeling right now.
You know, they hit it good, but it's
Agreed. Oh, there we go.
nice.
Oh, you're swimming right to us.
Well, at least the wind now is kind of straight into it.
Yeah. Keep us from drifting too fast. Come on up. This one will not pull its head up. There we go. That's a nice fish. All right. Right in the upper beak.
That's what's nice about these.
Yeah. Man, it's nice and wet.
All the fish you've ever caught.
That's a gorgeous fish. Thank you, buddy.
All the fish I got one keeps coming up and grabbing it. Won't take it up. Hit it twice. But all the fish you've ever caught on those, how many have you really had swallowed?
I know.
Maybe one?
Yeah.
Two? In how many years now?
I know, huh?
You know?
Nice easy release.
I mean, we've been,
Thank you, buddy.
I've been fishing these. Finally got one to take it.
There we go.
Finally got one to take it.
Pretty good sized fish too.
Decent fish.
Another humpback. That's about how the one I caught this morning looked.
Start getting with these little humpbacks.
Yeah.
They're gonna be. Oh, come on.
They're gonna be a fumble.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
The one
Fish on. Ooh.
on the earth one color.
Yeah. Oh, rainbow. Trifecta for me.
Excellent. Excellent.
All right.
Well, I did it the last time,
Yay.
so.
The visiting team is the trick to the trifecta. All right, come on over here. Oh, a green dragonfly. I gotcha. Oh, it's a hen. There we go. Small one, but a pretty one. Easy go. Thank you.
Casting towards
There's
the-
another one.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Another little brookie.
Well, they're going to be in the shadows over
Yeah.
there. There's a lot of cover. A lot of cover.
Oh, another humpback. Oh, not so bad. Not the best humpback of the day. Come on. There we go. Thank you, buddy. I want you to catch a fish while I'm eating a sandwich. That'd be great. Oh! Asking you shall receive.
Oh. We got some action out of it. That was
That
nice.
fish jumped about 3 feet out of the water. Oh yeah, this might be the sauce over here. There it is. Took a little while, but that was some persistence. Oh, we'll stay up here. Get out of there. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. That might be the one of the day for me. Yes. Wet hands. Ow.
That's a beauty.
That is a nice fish. Come on. There we go. I got you this time. Gorgeous fish. Sweet release. Kaplunk. Oh, splash!
Well, you know me. I gotta get the 18-incher with the pinfish.
Of course.
It's not a pinfish, but that's a beautiful fish right there.
Every time we've hooked up here, they've been beautiful fish. Oh, jeez.
I don't count that as a catch, but that was a nice fish.
That's a pretty good sized fish. Yeah. Back home.
But I can't.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. The visiting team seems to be the one getting the trifecta this year. What a great day to get out. Definitely a successful day. This was Paul's first time getting his boat out for the year, and everything worked well. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit the like button below, and if you're new, consider subscribing. Until next time, First Cast Media hoping to catch you in the next one.